So we were just filming this, and Belle here was like, dude, they've got to know each other. Is it the same color every time?
Right.
We're gonna try this again because
you have all the colors.
Because we can even look at your glasses. I love that color. It's cool. So, you know the drill. You could pick a card, but first we're gonna have you pick a color. Now we have a lot of lights in Las Vegas, so choose a color. What would you like? Lots of color.
I say it out loud.
Yes.
Yellow.
Yellow is the color. All right. Very good. Now you pick the color. Now it's time to pick the card. All right. Now, of course, I want to show you, just like I showed everyone else, the cards are all different. Just like all the colors are all different, all the ones you had a choice of. Reach in, take out a card, my friend. Mr. Bell, take out a card. You would be so kind, show our friends on the camera there. Got it? And just remember the card, please. Place it back into the deck. Now, this is when the fun happens. You could have named any color that you wanted, any color. Check this out. If we go through the cards, you'll notice something you're already laughing. Something very strange happens.
You can't do this every time and change the colors too.
No, I don't think I can. I don't think I can. I don't think I can. They're all different. There's only one. You chose a card, you chose a color, yellow. 6 of spades. Is that it?
Wow!
All right! There we go. Now wait a second, we're not done yet. Hold out your hand. I'm going to give you the 6 of spades. Place your thumb on top. There we go. What's her name?
Ashley.
Ashley. Would you just say stop? Right there? All right. We got the card at home. We got our friends there. Belle, you got it? Okay. Same story, same color.
You can't.
We're going to go through again.
I'm holding it so tight.
We're going to go through. Ashley, what was your card? What was it?
Two spades.
Two with spades.
Yeah.
Have a look.
No way. No.
Two diamonds.
Two diamonds.
Two diamonds. Two diamonds.
No way. No way.
No way! All right.
This is crazy. Insane.
Yes.